If you've ever thought, I really want to do my own gel nails at home, but it is too difficult, then this video is for you. I want to show you my simple and easy routine to doing your own gel nails at home. I've been doing mine for about 3 or 4 years, and they always turn out great and last at least 2 weeks, but I'm usually changing the color up, so I don't even keep them on that long. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alex and I do all things beauty and skincare related videos and nail videos now. So if you'd like to subscribe, I'd be so happy to have you here. And before we get into the video, I just want to say that I'm not a professional. I haven't trained in doing any of this. This is just my routine that I've been doing and it works. It's not always perfect, as you'll see. But if you want to know how to do easy gel nails, just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the nail color I chose for today. I was debating for a long time what I wanted, but I decided on pink. And that was a little clip of what my nails looked like before, and we're starting out with our nail foundation. And this is the technique I like to use for painting my nails. I kind of start in the middle and feather it towards the cuticle, and then I go down the middle of the nail and each side using the same technique. And then you always should cap your nails off like this. And this is me cleaning up the nail polish that had spilled over the sides and that I'd messed because I hadn't painted my nails in a while, so I was a little bit out of practice. One of the key things to having your gel nails last for a long time is painting a really thin layer for each layers. So as you see in the first clip, I'm sort of wiggling my brush around as I take it out of the bottle. I don't just take it out, I try and get as little polish on there as possible. And the time that you cure your nails will depend on the type of nail polish, and it should say at the back. Mine doesn't even say, but I just do 60 seconds for the base coat. And now we're moving on to color, and this is the pink color that I showed you in the beginning. I think it is so pretty. I love doing my nails neutral and pink, so I chose this one for today. And as you can see, I'm doing that same wiggling out technique to make sure I get as little as possible on. I still think I put too much on, so I was cleaning up because it flooded the cuticle. But this is the first layer. When it comes to doing your own nails, practice really does make perfect. I think that absolutely anyone can do this. You just need quite a steady hand, and the more that you do it, the better you will get. I wasn't perfect now because I had taken some time off of doing it, but when I do it all the time, my nails turn out so much better. And I really do think the type of gel nail polish you choose is important because it can really make a difference in how opaque it is and how easy it is for you to paint. This polish that I got in South Africa, so unfortunately I can't recommend a good one here for you. But I think just read the reviews and make sure you're painting very thin layers. So now we've moved on to the second coat, and of course we're doing the same method, feathering to the cuticle on each side, really trying not to get any polish there. I think I did a much better job this time. And for most of my gel polishes, I would say I would normally do about 3 layers, if not more. It really depends on the color, but I ended up only needing to do 2 layers. And now for the final step is the top coat. And I have a non-wipe top coat, which I think is really important, and everyone should get it because you don't have to wipe off with an acetone wipe after, which is just a hassle, and who really wants that? You can just paint it and be done with it. So now you're just going to go through each nail and repeat the steps, painting it with thin layers, and make sure you cap the nail like I'm doing here so that it doesn't chip. That's actually what the purpose of capping is. I don't always remember to do it, but you definitely should. And then I cured it for 60 seconds, but again, you must go according to what it says on your gel nail polish. And that is the look complete. I actually think that I did a better job painting my right hand, which makes no sense. I don't know how it works like that, but that's the look complete. And that is all for my easy gel nail routine. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
This ain't forever, so hold me closer.